As a facility manager, you face new and more complex challenges every day. It's time to elevate your knowledge and get the respect you deserve for your incredibly diverse responsibilities and unique skill set. Show the world you're a pro by earning the globally recognized ProFM Credential, designed specifically for FMs like you by some of the world's leading FM experts. With the ProFM, you'll receive the most current, relevant, and inclusive FM training and credential program on the market. Here's the thing, 77% of FM professionals say they need more FM knowledge and skills to advance in their organization and profession. Whether you're new to facility management or have decades of experience, there are 24 things you need to know to be prepared for any challenge your facilities, occupants, and employers throw your way. The ProFM Credential program brings the training and credential to you with our comprehensive reading materials, online study tools, and online final assessments. You'll have the flexibility you need to fit training into your busy schedule. Want extra guidance? We have expert instructors ready to help you reach your goal. What can ProFM do for your career? To see where you have room to boost your FM IQ, try our free self-assessment at profmi.org/FM-IQ.